chai, I'll be using milk, water, tea bag, sugar, ginger, cinnamon stick, cardamom and cloves. So now we have to crush the cardamoms. So I'm going to crush the cardamom with putting in the crusher, natural crusher. This is it, very light. Same now we're going to do with the ginger. Put all the ginger in this marble pot and give a crush. All I'm looking for is the ginger should break. If you don't have this, you just can do it with the hands as well. It's not a problem. So this is ready. So I'm using about 200 ml of water. As you see, the water is boiling now. Now I'm going to use the spices to it. I'm going to put the ginger. Cardamom and the cloves and let it get boiled very well, so all the spices just leaves its all aroma back to the water and we will have a good nice masala tea that we can prepare. You see all this texture on the side, this is the masala. It's left, it's all spiciness out. I can smell it, it's very beautiful. Now I'm going to add sugar to this and stir it. I boiled this water for about 5 to 7 minutes. A nice texture came out of it. You can see even the color is changed. I'm going to add the tea bags. I'm using about 6 tea bags. You can use even loose tea if you have, which is easily available in the market, and let it boil. Let the color of the tea, leave it very dark, which we are looking for. See how it's boiling very well. I'm going to use about 500 ml of milk. It's whole fat milk. Choice is yours, whether you like to have it with sugar or not. Semi-skim milk. I prefer whole fat milk, which is good. But then again, it depends on you. Now this is we're going to leave it on very medium flame, and then we will start the other process to see how to make the tandoori chai now. On the gas, I bought these clay pots, which I'm going to place it over here. So I haven't got the mud oven, and for what I'm doing is I've just ordered on eBay this mud pots. You get it for £6, 6 or 4, depends on the sizes, and you have to heat them on the gas, or if you are doing barbecue, you can use it on the barbecue griller as well for you. So make sure that they get very hot. And make sure that you don't use your bare hands as well for them when you're handling it. So now let's turn it, the clay glasses or pots that I've got. Eventually we are going to try to move it slowly and try to heat all the side, so that the aroma of this clay, it's very heated up. See, the tea is boiling and it's left its color very dark and nice. So the masala chai is ready. Now what we have to do is the Tandoor Chai. And to do the Tandoor Chai, let's go get the pots ready. So now we're going to take this, place in a separate pot to make the Tandoori Chai. So now I'm going to place this separately in a separate bowl, the mud pot. And now we have to pour the tea using a strainer. Take the masala chai and just try to pour it on top. See how it's seasoning. So now this is the second one. We do the back, same again, the procedure. Take the strainer, tea, and try to pour it exactly in the place. kulhad flavor of tandoori. Something different, isn't it? So guys, do try this tea and leave your comments on us. How did you feel about this tea?